Hello dear students, we are discussing about differentiation. In the previous class I solved a few problems related to the different rule. That is the power function, then constant function, then the rule related to the product rule, then the quotient rule. Okay, we will do a few more problems related to quotient rule. Next problem, y equal to 5x power 4 minus 6x square minus 7x plus 8 divided by 5x minus 6. Okay, this is the given problem. Y equal to 5x power 4 minus 6x square minus 7x plus 8 divided by 5x minus 6. So here y is of the form u by v. Here y is of the form u by v, where u equal to 5x power 4 minus 6x square minus 7x plus 8, and this y by v form that can be differentiated as v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx divided by v square. That is the method to solve the u by v format. Okay, now and here v equal to 5x minus 6. V equal to 5x minus 6. Okay, now let us find out the differentiation of u, du by dx. So what is the differentiation of this? That is d by dx of 5x power 4 minus 6x square minus 7x plus 8. Okay, 5x power 4 that can be written as x power 4 and x power 4, x power 5 by 5 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. It is 5 into x power 4 plus 1, 5 divided by 5. Okay, just wait. Sorry, I made a mistake here. So this is the x power. I am discussing about differentiation, not the integration, right? So x power 4, x power 4, x power n ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So n into x power n minus 1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ x power 4 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 4x cube ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So we will discuss the integration later. Okay, here 5x power 4, 5x power 4 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 4x cube n into x power n minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 20x cube minus 2x, x square into 2x ಅಂದ್ರೆ 12x minus x na differentiation is to differentiation of x equal to 1, so it is 7, and differentiation of the constant is 0. So here 8 is the constant and its value is 0. So this is the value of du by dx. Now next we are find out the value of dv by dx. So here 5x, the differentiation of x is 1, so it becomes 5, and the value of the differentiation of 6 is 0. Okay, now substitute the value. So here dy by dx equal to v into, what is the value of v? V equal to 5x minus 6. 5x minus 6 into du by dx. Du by dx value is 20x cube minus 12x plus minus 7. 20x cube minus 12x minus 7 minus v. V values, sorry, u values is 1. 5x power 4 minus 6x square minus 7x plus 8. 5x power 4 minus 6x square minus 7x plus 8 into into dv by dx. dv by dx value is 5. dv by dx and divided by v square. V square is 5x minus 6 whole square. Please note that notebook there is a mistake in this problem. Problem ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ wrong ಆಗಿದೆ. Just make a correction. Okay, now multiply. Multiply 5x minus x 20x cube 100 x power 4 5x minus 12x that is 60 x square. Then 5x minus 7 minus 35x. Then 6 into 20x cube minus 120x cube. Minus 120x cube. Then minus 6 minus 12x that is plus 72x. Then minus 6 minus 7 plus 42. Okay, now multiply this. Together we will multiply this minus sign also. So 5 into 5x power 4 minus sign 25x power 4. 5 into minus 6 minus 30x square into minus plus 30. Then 5 into minus 7 35x minus so plus 35x. 5 into 8 plus 8 so minus sign minus 40 divided by 5x minus 6 whole square. Okay, now we can cancel out some terms here. Minus 35x plus 35x that cancelled. Then you can check any other terms that will get cancelled. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, that 100x power 4 minus 25x power 4. So it remains 75x power 4. 100x power 4 minus 25x power 4. The remaining is 25. Then minus 60x square. This one is there. X cube term next minus 120x cube. Then x square term minus 60x square plus 30x square. So remaining is minus 30x square. Next what else remains? 72x remains. This 35x cancelled. So next term remaining is 72x remaining. Next plus 42 minus 40. Plus 42 minus 40. Answer is plus 2. So divided by 5x minus 6 whole square. Okay, this is the answer of the given problem where we calculated the differentiation of the y. Y is the function given and it is of the form u by v. So y is the function ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು y u by v form ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. Okay, I'll do one more problem. Next problem is y equal to 3x square plus 5x divided by 7x plus 4. Okay, here also y, the given equation is of the form u by v. U by v form alide. What is u here? 3x square plus 5x and find out differentiation du by dx. du by dx equal to what is 6x plus 5. Then the v is given 7x plus 4. So find out dv by dx. dv by dx is 7. X differentiation 1 and differentiation of the constant is 0. So 4 is the constant. So that the remain only the 7. Okay, now apply the value. dy by dx equal to v into du by dx. So what is the value of v? V is 7x plus 4 into du by dx. 6x plus 5 minus u into u is 3x square plus 5x into dv by dx divided by v square. V value is 7x plus 4 whole square. V value is 7x plus 4 whole square. Okay. Now I can multiply it. 7x into 6x, 42x. 7 into 5. Sorry, this is 42x square. Then 7x into 5, 35x plus 4 into 6, 24x. Then 4 into 5, 20 minus 3x square into 7, 21x square minus 35x divided by 7x plus 4 whole square. Okay, I can check which are the term get cancelled. This 35x that cancelled each other. Then remaining 42x square minus 21x square. 42 minus 21, 21x square plus 24x plus 20 divided by 7x plus 4 whole square. Okay, then give this as the answer. 21x square plus 24x plus 20. Okay, or you can split this term also. A plus b whole square. If form use ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Split ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Or you can keep this as the answer. Okay, I will do one more problem. That is the last problem. Differentiation is the last problem. I can solve another problem. Very similar techniques that we are using. Y is equal to 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 1 divided by 4x plus 1. Okay, so this is for the given problem. Differentiate it with respect to x. Question I ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. They will give y equal to some value and the question will be asked like this. The differentiate it with respect to x. Okay, we will do the same type. U by v form ಇದೆ. Where u equal to 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 1. Multiply this 2x into 3x, 6x square, 2x plus 3x plus 1. Multiplication ಮಾಡಿ. Then 6x square plus 5x plus 1. Now differentiate it. du by dx. What is the differentiation of x square? X square differentiation ಏನು? The differentiation of x square is 2x, right? So 2 into 6, 12x plus what is the differentiation of x? Differentiation of x with respect to x. dx by dx. The value is 1. So 5 into 1, it remains 5. And the differentiation of 1 is 0. Okay, similarly find out dv by dx. What is the value of v? v is 4x plus 1. V value is 4x plus 1. dv by dx is 4 because the differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of x is 1 and the differentiation of constant term is 0. Okay, next find out dy by dx. We know the equation. In equation v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx divided by v square. That is the general rule for the quotient. So p by q formal is there. So y the given function is of the form p by q. p by q format ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, now apply the value. What is the v value? v is 4x plus 1. 4x plus 1. Then the differentiation of u, du by dx, 12x plus 5 minus u into, what is the value of u? We can write this or this. Everything is there. We simplify this. 6x square plus 5x plus 1. That is u. 6x square plus 5x plus 1. Next dv by dx. dv by dx value is 4. dv by dx value is 4. Now v square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? v is 4x plus 1. 4x plus 1 whole square. Okay. Now multiply 4x into 12x, 48x square, plus 4x into 5, 20x, plus 1 into 12x, 12x, 1 into 5, it's 5. Now minus 6x square into 4, 24x square. Again minus 5 into 4, 20x, 1 into 4, minus 4, divided by denominator is 4x plus 1 whole square. Now just look which are the term that we can cancel. Here 20x is there and minus 20x that can get cancelled. Then 48x square minus 24x square. So it remains plus 24x square. Then only x term is here, 12x. 12x plus 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4, that is 1, divided by 4x plus 1 whole square. Okay, so this is the answer of the given question. Y is equal to 2x into 2x plus 1 into 3x plus 1 divided by 4x plus 1. Okay, student. So these are the problems that are related to the differentiation. Differentiation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ different type of problem. There are few more problems that are in your notebook. Just solve by yourself, and if you get any doubt related to that problem, you can ask the doubt immediately. And there may be some mistake in the problem. Problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು solve ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲಿ wrong ಇರಬಹುದು. It is a notebook for the previous year. Some homeworks was given. Maybe there is a mistake. Just don't copy as it is. Just solve by yourself. And if you have any doubt related to that, you can ask me. Okay, we'll move to the next topic. Next chapter, integration. This chapter is integration. Okay, so what is integration? Integration is the inverse of differentiation. So integration is the inverse of differentiation. The reciprocal and the inverse on the integration is the inverse. If phi of x be any differentiable function of x, if phi of x be any differentiable function of x such that d by dx of phi of x dx, d by dx of phi of x equal to f of x. any differentiable function of x, then differentiation of phi of x equal to f of x. Then phi of x is called an antiderivative. Antiderivative is the inverse of the phi of x is called antiderivative or a primitive or indefinite integration, or in general we call phi of x is the integral of function f of x. The phi of x is the integration value of the function f of x. In symbolically we can write integration of f of x dx equal to phi of x. Okay, this is what we write symbolically. So ಇದರ differentiation ಏನು f of x ನೋಡಿ d by dx of f of x equal to phi of x equal to f of x. ಅದರ ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಏನು ಇದರ integration ಇದು phi of x. So that we call it is the inverse differentiation. Integration is nothing but the inverse differentiation, that is related to ಅಂದ್ರೆ differentiation and integration, the reciprocal inverse. Okay, so this is the differentiation. Differentiation of phi of x equal to f of x. Reverse ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ integration of f of x equal to phi of x. Okay, that is the definition of integration. So like this, the integration and the differentiations are related to each other, so they are inverse in nature. Okay, next topic, indefinite integral. Next topic is indefinite integral. Okay, suppose we take f of x equal to x square. One function ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವ f of x equal to x square. We take one more function phi of x equal to x square plus 9. We take one more psi of the meaning psi of x equal to x square plus c, where c is a constant. Okay, these are the three functions here. So here f of x equal to x square, phi of x equal to x square plus 9, and psi of x equal to x square plus c. Now, what is the value of differentiation d by dx of f of x? The differentiation of f of x and x square and differentiation is to 2x. Similarly, differentiation of this phi of x. What is the differentiation of x square plus 9? X square plus 9. The value same 2x. Similarly, what is the value of differentiation of psi of x? It also 2x, because this constant differentiation is 0. Differentiation of constants are 0. We can differentiate only the variable ಮಾತ್ರ differentiate ಮಾಡಿಕ ಬಂದಿದೆ. Okay, the differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of x square plus 9, that also 2x. Differentiation of x square plus c, that is also 2x. Okay, so therefore we can say that here differentiation of f of x equal to differentiation of phi of x equal to differentiation of psi of x equal to 2x. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲ differentiation ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು 2x ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. Okay, now we can write an integral. What is integration? Integration is the inverse of differentiation. So that we can write integration of 2x dx equal to ಏನು ಬರೀತೀರಾ? Integration of 2x dx equal to either we can write f of x. F of x is to x square or you can write phi of x. What is phi of x? X square plus 9, or what is this? X square plus c. Okay, so we can write the integration of 2x plus dx either x square, or we can write x square plus 9 or x square plus c. So that's why we put this the indefinite integral. In general, we write the integration of 2x plus dx equal to x square plus c. That is c be any constant. C ಗೆ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay, so 2x integration of 2x dx equal to x square plus c. So this is the indefinite integral. Okay, we'll do some problem. Before going to problem, we discuss about the rules of integration. And some general rules are there. We'll discuss it, and after that, based on that rule, we'll do some problem. Okay, next topic, rules of integration. Rules of integration. First rule, integration of k into f of x dx, where k be any constant. K be any constant, that is equal to k into integration of f of x dx. Here k is any constant. Integration of k into f of x dx equal to k into integration of f of x dx. Okay, that is the first rule. Second one, integration of f1x plus f2x, the functions, plus f2nx dx. f1, f2, f3, f4, sum of the functions, that is equal to integration of f1x dx plus integration of f2 into dx plus integration of fn dx. Okay, so if it is like this, f1 plus f2, we can sum it, integrate it individually. Next, integration of x power n dx. This is very very important. Do not get confused. Integration and differentiation in confuse ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. Integration, differentiation of x power n ಅನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿರಿ, x power n into x power n minus 1. Differentiation of xn and x power n ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ differentiation of xn power n ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆದಿರಿ, n into x power n minus 1. Okay, but in the integration ಏನು ಬರೆದಿರಿ, integration of x power n dx, that can be written as x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. So in the integration you write c because of that indefinite integral. Okay, constant value haagಬೇಕು, where c is any constant. Next, fourth rule, integration of 1 by x dx. So that is equal to integration of 1 by x ಅಂದ್ರೆ log x ಅಂತ, integration of 1 by x, so that is equal to log x. Fifth one, integration of e power x, integration of e power x, that is equal to e power x plus c. Okay, so ಇದೊಂದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ log x to the differentiation 1 by x, differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Similarly, the differentiation of e power x is e power x only, because the integrations and differentiations are inverse in nature. Okay, these are some general rules that are very very important to solve the problems. Now we will solve some problems. Okay, first problem, find the integration of x square dx. Okay, x power n, what is the equation? How to solve x power n? Here x power n is given. X power n what is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, in the place of n we have, okay, we solve it. Integration of x square dx, that is x power n plus 1, 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So answer is x cube by 3 plus c. Okay, write that plus c, that is a constant term. Next problem, integration of 6 by 5 dx. Same right, x power 6 by 5 plus 1 divided by 6 by 5 plus 1, then 11 by 5, 11 by 5. You can write plus c, and answer is 5 by 11 x power 11 by 5, plus c is there. The numerator, denominator 11 by 5 is there. If you bring that to the numerator, then it becomes 5 by 11. Okay, next problem, integration of 1 by root x dx. Here 1 by x is not given, 1 by x totally value. If it is 1 by x, then it is the log x, right? So here 1 by root x is given. Okay, we will integrate it. So this becomes, what is the value of root? Square root of this to square root can be written as x power half, and this can be written as x power minus 1 by 2 dx. Write down x power half is ಇಲ್ಲಿ numerator ಇರುವಾಗ minus half ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Now apply the rule, integration rule apply ಮಾಡಿ. X power minus half plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c constant. So ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತದೆ? minus half plus 1, minus half plus 1, that is x power 1 by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? minus half plus 1 plus 2 ಆಯ್ತು. So plus c. Okay, so half ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? x power half means square root, right? Root x, then 1 by 2, if it goes to the numerator, then becomes 2 by 1. So that answer is 2 root x plus c, 2 root x plus c. So that is the answer. Okay, these are some problems that are related to that power. So power function. We will do one problem. Then we will wind up today's class. One problem model. Integration of 4x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 5 dx. Sum rule apply ಮಾಡಿ split ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೆಯುವ. It is integration of 4x cube dx plus integration of 3x square dx minus integration of 2x dx plus integration of 5 dx. Okay, so here 4 into integration of x cube by dx ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. k into f of x, k ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತೇವೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಬರೆಯುವ. x cube dx plus 3 into x square dx minus 2 into x dx plus 5 into dx. Integration of dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ x ಆಯ್ತಾ? 1 into dx ಅಂದ್ರೆ you can write here integration of dx equal to x plus c. Integration of 1 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ, because differentiation of x ಎಷ್ಟು? Differentiation of x value 1, ಅದೇ 1 with integration x, that is the inverse. C any constant. ಇದು 4 ಆಯಿತು x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So final answer is x power 4 plus x cube minus x square plus 5x plus 3. Okay, student. So these are the problems that are related to the integration, and in the next class we will do few more problems related to the integration. And if you have any doubt related to today's class, you can feel free to ask the doubt, and I will continue in the next class.